G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie Graham. Welcome to another Earth Moving Equipment magazine case study, and we've come out here, we've visited Kieran. How you going, buddy?
G'day, mate. How you going?
By the way, and we got Rob.
Nice to meet you, mate.
From MCS. How you going, lads?
Good,
and then we've got our good mates here from Kobelco. Mark, how are you,
again,
buddy?
Jamie.
Chris,
Jamie.
good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Fantastic. So look guys, we've come out here to have a little bit of a chat about business and see how everything's been going. So Kieran, we'll start with you, mate. Why don't you share with everyone a little bit about yourself and the business and how things have been going?
So I'm the maintenance manager for MCS Civil, care for the fleet overall, plant and all operations regarding truck movement and machines in and out of the yard.
Yep.
We've got quite a lot on at the moment, quite a lot of gear going out, which is good. I suppose my role consists of repairs and breakdowns in timely fashion.
Yep.
And trying to give our clients as much support as possible on site.
Perfect, mate. Perfect. So, how big has the business gotten over recent times? How many machines in your fleet? And how many men in machines?
We're currently running at around about 115 assets total.
Okay.
Obviously, a portion of that is trucks and attachments.
Yep.
But predominantly machines is our bread and butter.
That's a good size operation, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
So, whereabouts in Sydney what's your footprint? Where are you guys normally working?
Look, we vary in work both throughout New South Wales and other states, but Sydney metropolitan area is probably our largest footprint at the moment, and obviously Western Sydney out here as well.
Excellent, excellent. Now, you've just recently ordered a few Kobelcos, I hear, through the grapevine. So what was that experience like, and what was the, the call to arms to jump on board with the Kobelco brand?
Yeah, look, obviously in my role as the maintenance manager, I look for after sales support.
Yep.
In any asset that we buy. And predominantly was trying to swing the director's decision in where we are going to get the best after sales reports, and decided to align ourselves with Sydney Truck and Machinery based off that. So I previously worked as a after sales manager for another OEM, a competitive OEM. So I've got quite a good understanding of that side of the fence and what's required and support overall. And so far, it's been a very pleasant experience overall.
Awesome, mate. Good stuff. Well, we've got your partner in crime here, Rob, so I might have a chat with him.
Not a problem.
Come on in, mate. Come on in. So, Rob, what do you want to share with everyone about your role within MCS?
Basically, I'm the business development manager.
Yep.
The one out there chasing the work and dealing with the clients face to face every single day, dealing with all the problems. And so far, work is progressing well in Sydney at the moment.
Yep.
But it has been good to be able to work with the Kobelco brand now, knowing that the machines have basically supplied tier 1 machinery every single time. They've had an issue so far, and whenever we've needed anything, they've always jumped as high as we need them to go to get the job done on time.
So, Rob, you've just purchased a few brand new Kobelcos. Why don't you, first of all, tell everyone what you've just picked up, and then I guess the reasons why that machine was a good choice for you in the business?
Yeah, okay. So we were in the market hunting around for some 23 and 30 tonne excavators. We went through a few different varieties, a few different versions. And the work that we do at times, we do get stuck on certain Sydney Metro projects where there is tight access.
Yep.
And in those positions, we've been requested for a 30 tonne per se excavator, lifting capacity with zero swing and a blade.
Yep.
Not many other suppliers were able to do it. Kobelco came through with a very competitive rate, great aftermarket service, and the machine has been working like a treat since we've had it. So it's been a real asset to the company.
Awesome. So I guess the next question is, so what's the feedback been back from your operators after getting a chance to spend some serious time in the machines? What are they speaking about in terms of, the comfort factor and things like that?
Yeah, they've been really highly recommending the creature comforts of the machine. They've been really smooth and easy to operate with. The hydraulics have been not a drama at all. And yeah, they're more than happy to receive more and more when they come through the market. So happy days.
Fantastic. Good stuff, bud.
Appreciate it.
So Mark, we'll start with you, mate. So how did the relationship come about with the guys from MCS Civil?
Okay, so I've known Chris Murphy for the best part of 18 months, and he, from the moment I met him, I think he said to me, make sure you save the first Kobelco for me. So, and he's obviously a man of his word, because he certainly did buy the first one, and I think the first one was an order of 3 machines, and obviously being the class-leading SK270 SRLC-5 and 2 SK225 SR-2s. And as I say, the entire team throughout the MCS group has been so far so good, impressed.
Yep.
Obviously not only with the product but with the sales and service, and that's realistically, obviously any fitter, any director in business, as I say, needs to know that they're supported, not just from the product but obviously from the business that represents it. So as I say, great to have Chris on board as a customer, and looking forward to supporting his growth and success, in many years to come. So good.
100%. Well, it sounds like they're onwards and upwards. They're kicking some good goals. So, Chris, anything you'd like to contribute on the range of machines or the service that's being offered?
Yeah, well, they let me tag along for this visit today. So I do like to catch up with new customers in particular. So MCS, just pretty excited to see that they've taken that leap of faith into the Kobelco brand, and obviously put a lot of their trust in the support that STM brings to the table. I think that's the reason that they ended up going our way. But it's great to hear that they're really enjoying, the operators are liking the SK 225s and 270 SRLCs. We see that market certainly as the subdivisions are growing and commercial constructions get tighter and tighter. The short radius machines are definitely more and more in demand, and we've got a big range in that class. There's a lot of different options that we have in terms of models that suit that requirement. We've been kicking some goals in that class. So it's good to see another new customer on board that's able to appreciate what Kobelco has to offer there. So
excellent,
yeah.
Excellent. So if anybody wants to jump on board, come down, have a chat with one of the salespeople about going for a demo or looking at a new Kobelco, what do they do to get in contact with you guys?
Anywhere in Australia, you can dial 1300 Kobelco and it puts you through to your local dealer. Or obviously you can go on kobelco.com.au in the Find a Dealer section, find out where your local dealer is, who can, they've all got machines in stock, and we can arrange a test drive or a demo.
Fantastic,
Yep.
Fantastic. And you, Mark, if anyone wants to get in contact?
Mate, certainly just call the main number 4647 4488, or jump onto the stmc.com.au website and reach out to the team, and we'd only be more than happy to service your needs. Very good.
Fantastic, mate, fantastic. So for everybody at home, thank you so much for tuning in for another Earth Moving Equipment magazine case study. Make sure you take great care of each other out there. Stay safe on site till next time. See you soon.